Hello, I am a Kingang engineer. I will teach everybody how to fix the charging module. First, we should remove the three drive screw. There have two screw. One, two, three. They have two screw. First, we should remove three screw here. Uh, after we remove screw, we can remove this ball. We can see the King's all drivers. This is the power module. Power module have two, and another charger board have two. I think this is your problem is charger board is problem. I will teach you how to reduce how to reduce charger board. First, we should prepare the screwdriver and two charger board. Let me see the structure. First, they have the power cable, 2 power cable. We should remove. This is control cable, mobile cable, 1 and 2. Remove. This is a set power ID. Up is ID 1, down is ID 2. Here is ID 2. We should check this ID 1 and 2. This is a fan cable. This is a fan cable. We should remove first. And this is power cable. This is power cable. Remove. And let me introduce. We can remove the screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We remove screw. We use the screwdriver to remove screw. Remove the one, charger board, and then we should remove this have this and this. This they have 6. And we can remove the down board. First, we will install the down board. First, we should remove use the new board. Remove this pin to new board. This is ID2。
它卡到是指左右卡到还是上下卡到？
那就是调一下就好了。
ID2。We can through this cable and put it. We should care the hole. The USB connector should into this hole. Okay. We remove the old cable. We remove all cable. And first use install. This 3. and install the power cable. Plug in plug in the power cable. We check the cable, all cable, it's fine. Okay, install the power cable. First, install power cable, and then we will install the ID1 top charger cable. We should check the ID. This is all the board, all the PCB board. This is new. We remove this pin to new one. This is ID1. Check it, ID1. And then install. Okay. USB cable should into this hole. Right. Screw install. Hey. They are total have 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we will install all the screwdriver and then we will check the cable. This is fan cable. We install fan cable, and then they have a DC power cable. Install power cable. Install control board. They have 1, 2, 2 more bus connector. We can choose one. Install one. You can install this and this. You can install the Modbus this connector and this connector. It's all okay. Okay. We install plug in the connector, Modbus connector, and then plug in the DC power cable. We check one top board DC power cable and down board power cable. 1, 2. And we will install finish, and then we check the ball cable. This is control ball cable. We should check. They have a little remote. We plug in. This is control ball. console cable, and there have a 3 Modbus cable. This is control. This is ID1. This is ID2. ID1 is ID2. You should check, and then check all connector and all cable. This is fine. And the power pole. Now this is power module. Power module cable. Okay. White, black, and green. This is DC output. DC 24 voltage output. It's fine. This is fine. And this is power module. This is fine. All fine. After all fine, we will install the cover. Top cover. We check here. This is behind. Yeah, we will. This is okay. Good. And then install the screw. 1, 2, 3. 3 screw. We will, and then we will finish. We check. Power is okay. It's not good. Okay. LED is fine, and then you check the display. Display is detect the correct device. This is 30. It's fine. Everything is fine. Okay. This is finished.